What is next? Come with us to the theater of life. We have come into this world not to get, but to give. As the sayings of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, a man's true wealth is the good he does in the world.
திருப்பராய்த்துறை ஸ்ரீ ராமகிருஷ்ண தபோவனம் வெளியிட்ட செம்மை நல கதைகளிலிருந்து குணசீலன் என்னும் கதையின் ஆங்கில வடிவத்தை நாடகம் மூலம் நடித்து காட்ட வருகின்றனர் எம் பள்ளி மாணவர்கள்.
Every charitable act is a stepping stone towards the heaven. We stage you an English play which depicts the moral I said. English play.
நற்செயல்கள் யாவும் நல்வினையாகும். நம் உள்ளத்தனையது நம் உயர்வு. எதிர்பார்ப்பு இல்லாமல் செய்யும் எந்த உதவியும் மேன்மையை தரும். செய்யாமல் செய்த உதவி ரவிக்கு வழங்கியது என்ன? ஈத்துவுக்கும் இன்பம் ரவி பெற்றது எங்கனம்? நாடகத்தில் காண்போமா? Do good, be good. ஆங்கில நாடகம்.
A drama is the mirror of reality. Our life actually is a drama and we are playing our role assigned to us by God.
Scene 1. Place Ravi's house in a village. Characters Ravi and his grandmother. Time night. Ravi, Ravi. Yes, Grandma. Ravi, have you completed your homework? Yes, Grandma. I have completed my homework. I too have completed my work. Now it's time for bed. Shall we go and sleep? Grandma, today my class ma'am told about heaven and hell. I have a doubt. Doubt? What is it? Does there exist heaven and hell? Really? Yes, Ravi, there is heaven and hell in another world. Our ancestors told many things about heaven and hell. If we do good things to others, we will go to heaven. But if we do harm to others, we will go to hell. So we should do good things to others. Grandma, you mean to say that we should not do harm to others? We should do only good things. Yes, Ravi, you're right. Okay, Grandma, I feel very sleepy. Okay, Ravi, let us sleep. Ravi's house. Characters Ravi in his dream and an angel. Time midnight. Ravi! Who are you? I'm an angel from heaven. Are you from heaven? Yes, Ravi. I want to see the heaven. Shall I come with you? Yes, you can, but not now. What shall I do to see the heaven? If you do good things to others, you can see the heaven. What is there in heaven? Heaven is an eternal world and it's a place of beauty and happiness. Only the good people can see the heaven. It's nice to hear. Now I come to know about the heaven. Then what about the hell? Hell is a place of devils where bad people go there. Angel, what shall I do to see the heaven? I shall present you a magic box. A magic box? with this magic box? If you do good to others, you will be getting a golden coin in this box. But one condition, if you reveal your good deed to others, a coin will disappear immediately. So, be careful, Ravi. Angel, what shall I do if the box is filled with coins? You just throw this box into the river. What do you say? To throw this box in river? Yes, you throw this box into the river. Then everything will happen automatically. Okay, Angel. I will do as you said. Bye, Ravi. The dream comes to an end. Ravi wakes up from his bed. Oh, I had a sweet dream. In my dream, I met a beautiful angel. That angel gave me a box. Wow, here is the box. The angel told me if I do good to others, I will be getting a golden coin in this box. But if I reveal this to anyone, a coin will disappear from this box. Okay, let me keep it here. Characters: Ravi and his grandmother. Time: evening. Ravi, Ravi. Yes, Grandma. Ravi, where are you getting ready? Grandma, I am going to play cricket. Are you going to play cricket? Yes, Grandma. Okay, Ravi. You take some fruits. Ravi, whenever you feel tired, you have this so that you can get energy. Okay, Grandma. Ravi, be careful. While crossing the roads, you should see both the sides and cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Okay, Grandma. Bye. Take care, Ravi. Scene 4. Place, playground, characters: blind man, Ravi and his friends. Time: evening. Hi friends. Hello Ravi. Come and join with us, Ravi. Okay, Varun. I feel very tired, friends. I am going home. Bye. Bye, Varun. Friends, it's already late. Bye. Bye, Raghu. Ravi, I'm going to hospital now. Why, Babu? My father is admitted in the hospital. Is it? What happened to your father? Why he is in hospital? My father has high temperature, so doctor advised him to admit in the hospital. Oh, Babu, my grandma gave some fruits for me. Please give it your father. Get it, Babu? Oh, thank you, Ravi. I will give these fruits to my father. Take care of your father, Babu. Okay, Ravi. Bye. Let me go home now. I think he is struggling to cross the road. I will help him. Thank you, my son. God bless you. Welcome, sir. 5. Place Ravi's house. Ravi's monologue. Time. Night. Ravi came to his house and he was very eager to see that box. He saw 2 coins in the box. Huh? What a surprise! I got 2 golden coins in this box. What the angel told in my dream is happening now. If I do good deed to others, I will be getting a golden coin in this box. Since I did 2 good deeds, there are 2 golden coins. I feel very happy, but I should not expose this happiness to anyone. Likewise, Ravi did some good deeds to others and he got 10 coins in the box. Scene 6. Ravi on the way to his school. Characters: an old woman, Ravi and his friends. Time: morning. Oh, I need some water. Grandma, I am here to help you. Here is the water. Please drink some water. Are you all right now, Grandma? I feel very happy. I am all right now. Thank you, my dear child. Okay, Grandma. Ravi, what happened to that old lady? She got fainted. She seeked for help. So, I gave her some water. Oh, very good, Ravi. That was a timely help done by you, Ravi. Is she all right now? Yes. Because of me, she's all right now. Okay, friends, let us go to school. Since Ravi revealed his good deed to his friends, 1 coin vanished from the box. Scene 7. Ravi reached his house from school. Place: Ravi's house. Ravi's monologue. Today I helped an old woman by giving some water. So definitely I would have got 1 more coin in the box. Let me check the box. only 9 coins. How did a coin disappear? Why didn't I get a coin today? Oh, this may be the reason. I shared my good deeds to my friends so that it has disappeared. After some days, due to Ravi's good deeds, the box gets filled with gold coins. Yes, I filled this box. Oh, that angel told me when the box is filled with coins, I should throw this box into Kaveri river. So, let me go to river now. Scene 8. Place, bank of river. Characters, Ravi, a man and an angel. Time, morning. What shall I do? I missed my box. I don't know what to do. How can I live? How can I get my box? Sir, what are you searching for? My dear, actually, I have missed my box. Oh, he lost his box. He looks very sad. Why don't I give my box to him? If I give this box, he will feel happy. Sir, I have a box. Please get this box from me. Oh, thank you, my child. Thank you so much. Now I feel very happy. You just close your eyes for a few seconds. To close my eyes? Okay, sir. I will close my eyes. Ravi, open your eyes. That angel whom I met in my dream? Where is that man? Ravi, I only disguise as that man to test your attitude. Oh, you have helped many people by doing good deeds. I appreciate your good attitude, Ravi, so that you have this box. Thank you, angel. Thank you. So, my dear children, we should help others without any expectations. Be good, do good, and help others. Children, will you follow this? Okay, children, bye.
தீதும் நன்றும் பிறர் தர வாரா. உள்ளுவதெல்லாம் உயர்வாக இருத்தல் வேண்டும். பெரியோர் சொல் கேட்டல் வேண்டும். வறியவர்க்கு ஈதல் வேண்டும் என்பதையும் நாங்கள் உணர்ந்து கொண்டோம். பழுதில்லாத விதையும் பாராட்டு எதிர்பார்க்காத உதவியும் நம் பயனுக்கு ஏற்ப தாராளமாக வந்துவிடும். தானமும் ஞானமும் கொடுக்க கொடுக்க வானத்தையே எட்டும் என்பதை நிரூபித்து காட்டிய குழந்தைகளுக்கு எங்களின் பாராட்டுக்கள்.
That was a marvelous performance. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Thank you, students.